I don't give a shit about all that because you know what?
बात जो है उसमें बात वो यहाँ कहीं नहीं किसी में है मेरी बस है मेरी शोर है यही गली गली में बुझ न जाए ये शमा एतबार की
अपने दूसरे होम जा रही है इन 15 मिनट्स। हमें ऐश की याद आएगी। यस, क्या ऐश को हमारी याद आएगी? वी विल नेवर नो।
अब तो 10 दिन बाद मिलेगी मेरी बच्ची। ओए ऐश, नमस्ते करो। नमस्ते।
अभी क्या हो रहा है? मुझे से खेल दिख रहा है क्या?
Going out to get something for Father's Day. I'm hoping to find a good cotton t-shirt because my papa really needs it, even if he says that he don't. I'm gonna get these coloring books, कोई तो एक इसमें से. Then I will color once I'm home. कोई मुझे बचपन में ये दिला देता तो मैं legit रो देती. Guys, dollhouse. These are my final two options that I have to choose from. I don't like unicorns, but this one is just easier. This one I like, but these are dogs and everything secured. And I got the unicorn one because I don't want to betray Ash. I got this full sleeve t-shirt जो मैं थोड़ा सा रिग्रेट कर रही हूँ because I wanted it to be a bit more oversized, but I think we can work with this. We will have to work with it now. अब हमने ले लिया है, but this was for 400, तो you understand, from my mind it was like wow, steal deal. Spaghetti taste test. Yeah, 0 degrees का arrabbiata pasta was one of my favorite pastas ever, but they changed their recipe and now it tastes थोड़ा सा weird. It has that weird tangy taste to it that I don't like. Peach iced tea.
What's wrong? Xavius, your children are here. Again?
I just want to talk about how some shows have this sense of nostalgia. Whenever you watch it, you're instantly teleported back into the time when you used to watch it or that phase of your life. Maybe you know the storyline was not that great or it was not that good of a show, but you still want to watch it just to like go back in time. For example, The Summer I Turned Pretty. Like whenever you hear that dun 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 dun, that sound, you know what I'm talking about? Like whenever you listen to that, you just go back to when you started watching it. It has that summer kind of a feel to it. Like I started rewatching it in winters and I started missing summers, and I hate summers. The show that I really want to talk about, that I really want my future self to remember, is Stranger Things. It brings back so many good memories. I started watching it when I was in school and we would talk about it every day. And my obsession was to a point where I got a lot of Stranger Things related gifts on my birthday. Those were like my favorite years of my life when it comes to school. Whenever I watch Stranger Things, I just go back to the memory of how I used to watch it with my friends. Not exactly with my friends, but we would discuss about it every time. And somehow the show itself feels like a piece of nostalgia. वो जो 80s वाला kids on the bike वाला vibe, sci-fi है but it's not too spooky और too gore. मतलब मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा खून खराबा नहीं देखा जाता, तो वो भी उतना कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. एंड स्टोरी लाइन आज भी उसकी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. द कैरेक्टर्स, इट फील्स लाइक दे आर ग्रोइंग अप विद मी. आई एम रीवॉचिंग इट नाउ बिकॉज सीजन 5 इज फाइनली कमिंग आउट. समझ नहीं आया कि वो 3 वॉल्यूम्स में क्यों आ रहा है, बट नेवरदलेस I think I'm the happiest. It's finally coming, like what feels like after 20 years. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि स्कूल को ख़त्म हुए बहुत टाइम हो गया. I think 5 to 6 years. तो it just feels very weird now that I'm rewatching it as an adult. Wouldn't say कि मैंने पहले ऐसे उसको देख के फील नहीं किया, बट अब मैं थोड़ी सी उस एज वाली एडल्ट हो गई हूँ जहाँ पे मैं जेन्युइनली बहुत ज़्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिया इज़ लाइक लिटरली अ पार्ट ऑफ मी. अगर मैं किसी अच्छे मोमेंट में भी हूँ ना, तो मुझे उस टाइम लाइक आई एम फीलिंग नॉस्टैल्जिक फॉर दैट मोमेंट ऑल्सो. सो it just hits very differently. Also, I can't believe it's going to end. I don't want it to end. I'm seeing so many backlash sort of reels where people are talking about how the show is so dragged or like it should have ended earlier. I swear they're either wannabes or people who actually haven't watched the show. But I also feel that I get so protective over anything that reminds me of a good time in my life. So whenever I see reels like that, I kind of take it personally. And every time I hear that song, the Kate Bush one, if only God make a deal with God, that one, what's the name of that song? Running Up That Hill. Whenever I listen to that song, I am back in 2022. I am back in 2022 when I watched that season. जब भी वो season drop हुआ था, I don't know कौन से year में हुआ था, but I honestly feel I will bawl my eyes out. मैं चारों season में रोई तो हूँ, but it's very easy for me to cry. But I know for a fact कि if they will kill anyone, मतलब people are talking about 1-2 characters, I'm talking about if they kill anyone, I will bawl my eyes out. They cannot kill Will, they cannot kill Elle, they cannot kill Hopper, they cannot kill Steve, Mike, Dustin, anyone. They cannot kill anyone. I'm going to lose it if they'll kill them. I don't want anyone to die, but I know someone is going to die in the last season. And of course, वरना ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. मैं कुछ भी अगर पीने का बनाती हूँ ना, it feels like I'm doing something for myself. I love that. You know what? I am now going to color. Got this unicorn wala sketchbook, but I also got new colors, जिसके साथ eraser free आया है. I think हम इस colors को मिटा भी सकते हैं. Very excited. That's my masterpiece. It was actually therapeutic. मेरा verdict ये है कि coloring is actually fun when no one is screaming in your ear कि इसी motion में color करना है, यही color कर सकते हैं. It's actually fun. 10 on 10 recommend. It's a very fun little thing to do on your girls' night. This video is a video without no trending audio, but मेरे background में पूरे time ये calming sounds चलती रहती हैं, क्योंकि मैंने लोगों के videos में देखा है तो they live in such beautiful places जहाँ पे अगर वो नॉर्मल ऑडियो यूज़ कर रहे होते हैं तो पीछे से आवाज़ आ रही होती है बर्ड्स की, पानी की. बट आई लिव इन Delhi bro. General I always listen to these calming sounds because otherwise I'll just listen to सब्जी वाले भैया, कबाड़ी वाले भैया, रैंडम भैया जो गली में रहते हैं. कोई चीख चीख के फ़ोन पे बात कर रहा है. मोस्टली bikes and cars. I am actually very sleepy. I also have puzzle, but I really want to do it with some friend, so I don't want to do it today.